Hazrat Ishaq bin Abdullah narrates that he heard Hazrat Anas bin Malik radiyallahu anhu say, amongst the helpers of Medina, Hazrat Abu Talha radiyallahu anhu regarding the wealth of date palm was richer than anybody else, and he out of his all wealth loved the Bayruha garden extremely much, which lay right in front of Masjid Nabawi. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam would off and on visit it and drink its nice water. Hazrat Anas radiyallahu anhu says, when this verse, you shall never attain good unless you spend your favorite thing, was revealed, Hazrat Abu Talha got up and submitted. O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, undoubtedly Allah Jalla Jalaluhu has said, you shall never attain good unless you spend your favorite thing. And verily, I out of my all property love the Bayruha garden the most, so I give it as an object of charity in the way of Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, anticipating for acquiring goodness, and that it may be a treasure for me with Allah Jalla Jalaluhu. O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, apply it to the purpose you like. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, it is highly profitable bargain, or a bargain that multiplies the wealth. Abdullah the transmitter is in doubt about it. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam then said, I have heard what you said, but I think you should apply it to your kinsman. Hazrat Abu Talha radiyallahu anhu whereupon submitted, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, I will then do so. So Hazrat Abu Talha radiyallahu anhu apportioned it amongst his relatives and cousins. Ismail has reported the word Raihun from Yahya bin Yahya. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 5611.